Lucky, where are you going? Mrs. Williams' office? What does your bucket say? Slime? You're sliming Miss Williams? Lucky, I don't know about this.
Stop. We had a deal, Lucky. Friends, if you want to see us slimed, then you have some work to do. We have 15 days to our obstacle dash, and if you want to see myself, Miss Edmond, and Miss Cunningham slimed, then you have to get pledges from all 50 states. That's right, all 50 states. There will be a map outside of the gym, so you can kind of watch our progress. So, Lucky, not today. Kids have got some work to do.